Hello. Hello, children. Enter the Menti code. Today we are having very interesting Menti on bio. So you'll be revising all your chapters for the NSO of biology. And this Menti is really going to be very helpful for you all. Yes. So all of you are ready and excited? Yes, come on, hurry up. A very good afternoon. Just now you've come from your schools. So it's a half an hour Menti play, which will really freshen up your minds. So enter the Menti code 82310516. I'm entering it on the chat also. It is 82310516 is the Menti code. So yes, Samyukta, Ronak, everybody, come on. Asmita, hurry up. You can inform others also. Please pass on the link on the group also, Samyukta. Yes, right. So I can see only up till 3 participants have come in. Come on, fast, quickly enter. Yes, 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 yes. So it will be going to begin. Children, your NSO is scheduled in third week of October. Yes, I hope all of you have filled the form for the SOF. Then is coming up Silver Zone, then ISTSC, then Unified Council. So through these sessions, you will be preparing for all, and also we are starting our AI Live recorded crash course with active polls and quizzes on 26 September. So if you go to the Vedantu site, vedantu.com, you will see on the courses, click on the courses and then go to the Olympiads. You will find their NSO and IMO crash course for all the grades, grade 5 to 8. So today the session is useful for all the students of 6th, 7th and 8th. Yes, come on. So shall I begin with? I can see, yeah, come on, more participants waiting for, yes. Hurry up, children. Just one more minute. I will wait. Then I will start. Come on. Quick, quick, quick. I hope all of you are revising each and every line of your textbook. If you're revising each and every line of your textbook and the Vedantu notes, surely you will be on the first ranks of India in National Science Olympiad. Yes. And international ranks also. Yes. So come on. So revise through all the old videos also. So we move on to the quiz 1. So you will answer fast to get more points. Question number 1 is Tripti made 4 sets of different plants based on their edible parts. Now, first consists of stem potato. You have to find out which one is correct. Stem is edible in potato, root turnip, leaf lettuce, seed rice. Stem turmeric, root ginger, leaf spinach, seed sesame. Stem colocasia, root onion, leaf broccoli, seed mustard, then ginger, radish, cabbage, almond. So stem ginger, root radish, leaf cabbage, seed almond. Yes. So which all are the correct? Come on. And if wrong, we are going to discuss that also. Why wrong? Why other parts are wrong? So 12 seconds left for you to enter the answer. Come on quickly. Yes. Everyone has voted. And yes, come on. The answer is given by 4 students. Yes. Come on, come on. It's getting stuck up. The same problem which you faced that day. Yeah. Children, I don't know what goes wrong with it. Yes. Come on. So the result has come. Now we move on to the next. 1 second, children. Children, we'll have to go back. We'll have to go back on the normal one only. Yes, 1 minute, 1 minute, just 1 second. Yeah. 1 second, children. Sorry for the inconvenience. Yes. You will be writing your scores, okay? You will be writing your scores. So we'll work on the scores only, right? There is some problem with the Menti only. It's not our fault. It's a software problem, children. Yes. One second. I have to close down the Menti and yes, going to one second. Yes. So yes, the first question, children, welcome you all over here. So now you can answer me. Come on. So what was your answer, children? Which of these are correct? So 1 and 4 are correct because in 1 all are correct, like root is carrot, turnip. What was wrong with second and third? Okay, you are answered it correct. Now what was wrong with the second? In second it was potato, ginger, garlic. If I go back to the second, in second part, it was given that turmeric, ginger, spinach, and sesame. Turmeric is stem. Ginger is also stem. Ginger is not a root. In colocasia, onion. Onion is not a root. Onion is a stem. So second and third are wrong. So first and fourth are correct. Absolutely. So next, this is 2018 question, children. Hansika categorized plants on the basis of their parts that are eaten. She made 4 groups of 3 plants each. By mistake, she placed one wrong member in each group. Identify the wrong member of each group and select the correct option. So group 1 is asparagus, ginger and radish. So write down on your notebook like which part is wrong. Write down on your notebook like which part is wrong. And then you can answer yes. Second group, cumin, fennel, cinnamon. Cumin is jeera, fennel is SOF, and cinnamon is dalchini. Yes. Group 3, cauliflower, broccoli, lettuce. Group 4, carrot, turnip, potato. So you have to jot down like which are the wrong parts, right? So you have to jot down which one is wrongly placed in group 1. 2 are same, one is odd man out. If I show you the parts, I'll come back to this also. Radish of group 1 should be interchanged with potato of group 4. Is it correct? By mistake, she placed one member wrong in each group. Identify the wrong member of each and select the correct option. Should radish be replaced by potato? Now look at the second. Cinnamon of group 2 should be replaced with tapioca. Lettuce of group 3 should be replaced by coriander. Yes. And broccoli of group 3 should be interchanged with turnip. See broccoli. See broccoli. Yes. See broccoli. Come on. Should broccoli be replaced by turnip? In this. Should broccoli be replaced by turnip? Cauliflower is what? It's a flower. So which is correct? Which is correct, children? Come on. Your answer is A. Absolutely. Radish of group 1. Yeah. Radish of group 1 should be interchanged with potato because potato is stem, asparagus is stem and ginger was stem. Radish is a root. Cinnamon, in cinnamon we eat the bark. Yes, and if you go to the question, cumin is seed, fennel is seed, so cinnamon should be replaced by some seed. Cauliflower is flower, broccoli is flower, so lettuce should be replaced by some flower. Carrot is root, turnip is root, so potato should be replaced by some root. So that is why option A. Next, 2017 question. Children, although Menti is not running, but in any ways, yeah, this is useful for you. Refer to the given flowchart and select the correct statement regarding it. 2017 question. It is an energy giving food. Refer to the given flowchart and select the correct statement regarding it. It is an energy giving food. W, what it can be, note down. Then you can draw this flowchart because I will have to go to the other page for the session. Yes, come on. Then it is an energy, it is not an energy giving food, but it helps a body to repair and grow. So what is X? X should be what? What helps a body to repair and grow? Tell me, X should be what? X could be protein. W could be carbohydrate or fats. Then it is neither energy giving nor repairing. It is required for a body to fight infections. So that is why, yes. So Z, Y can be what? It can be vitamins. Z neither fight with our infections, but it is required for a body. So it can be what? Right. So now I'm taking you refer to the given flowchart and select the correct option. Potato is a source of W, whereas butter is a source of X. X was protein giving. X was protein. So is butter a protein? Green leafy vegetables are source of both Y and Z. Y was which contained vitamins and minerals. What is Z? Banana is a source of W, means energy giving, and eating excess of Z can lead to constipation. Z is one which is neither for repair, neither for food, then Z is for what? Yes. Come on. What should be your answer? Come on. What should be your answer? Your answer should be B, and what is wrong? Potato is source of W. Potato, children, 1 minute, but let me on my pen. Potato is a source of W, energy giving food. Okay. But butter is wrong over here. X should be protein. X should be protein. Right. Green leafy vegetables are source of both Y. Z is actually what? Z is roughage, which is not helping in anything, but yes, it provides bulk for the removal of our egestion for fecal matter. So it cannot lead to constipation. Right. Butter is incorrect. Yes. Here banana can be W, but Z leading to constipation is wrong. So that is why this is also wrong. So what is correct? B. So Asmita gave the correct answer B. Next comes refer to the given table. Yes. NSO 2017 question. Deficiency disease, vitamin mineral, dietary suggestion. Deficiency disease is scurvy, right? Vitamin or the mineral required is, and dietary suggestion is citrus fruits. So deficiency disease is scurvy and dietary suggestion is citrus fruits. Deficiency disease, scurvy. So P can be what? If deficiency disease is Q, vitamin, mineral, vitamin A, dietary green leafy vegetables. Which vitamin is this? Which mineral is this? Q is what? Deficiency disease caused by vitamin A. Goiter is caused due to deficiency of what? And seafood is the source. So what is your answer? Come on. Waiting for your answer. Yes. Yes, very good. Come on, come on. Ronak. Yes. Anvita. P is okay. P is what? Vitamin C. Right, Anvita? Right, right. P is vitamin C. So your answer coming is option B. Yes. Vitamin C causing scurvy. Yes. Q is the disease caused night blindness by vitamin A, and iodine deficiency causes goiter. So option this B is correct. Next, we move on to the next question. So scurvy is caused by not having enough of vitamin C. Night blindness caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. And most common cause of goiter is lack of iodine in the diet. Right. Next, refer to the given diagram. Come on. Flowchart. Protective food. It's a protective food. No, it's not protective. It helps to build and repair tissues. So what could be P, which is not protective but helping to build the tissues? Protective food, also inorganic salts essential for chemical reactions in the cell. It's a protective food, contains inorganic salts essentials for chemical reactions in cells. Yes. And Q is protective food but does not contain inorganic salts essential for chemical reactions in the cell. Come on. Protective food. Now look at the options. It is not a direct question, children. Deficiency of P can lead to disease like kwashiorkor and marasmus. P is the help to build and repair tissues. So refer to the flow chart. P can lead to diseases like kwashiorkor and marasmus. Which one is correct? Q is water soluble, then it is not stored in body if it is fat soluble. If Q is water soluble, then it is not stored in body. If it is fat soluble, it is stored in body for future. Q. Inorganic salt, these are not inorganic salts, but these are protective foods. Deficiency of R can lead to diseases like anemia, goiter, rickets, etc. Yes, protective food hai, chemicals hai, leading to goiter, rickets, anemia, etc. So which option is correct? Asmita is doing the best, youngest, and I'm so happy to see your answers. Ronak also. But Asmita, you are doing great. This time, your top ranks in NSO is for sure. Yeah. Next question. So, marasmus is caused due to deficiency of macronutrients, while kwashiorkor is caused due to deficiency in protein. If any inorganic salt is water soluble, it is not stored in our body. But if it is fat soluble, it will be stored as the adipose tissue. Yes, it will give energy at the time of crisis. Deficiency when you are sick. Deficiency of minerals and vitamins in body can cause diseases like anemia, goiter, rickets, etc. Very good. Next, this is NTSE 2022 question. NTSE 2022 is written wrong here. Yes, year is written wrong. Why is photosynthesis an important process? It allows all organisms to utilize sunlight in order to synthesize sugars. It allows all organisms to utilize sunlight in order to synthesize sugars. It is responsible for the store of chemical energy to reduce oxygen. Photosynthesis, why synthesis? It is an important process. Let us see what the next says. Which options are correct? Now you go to the back and see which options are correct. Number one, first note down. It allows all organisms to utilize sunlight in order to synthesize sugars. Is it? Is it very necessary that plants should use all the sunlight? It is responsible for storage of chemical energy in the form of ATP. It renews oxygen supplies in the atmosphere to sustain respiration. So which is correct? Which is correct? First is correct, first and second are correct, first and third are correct, or second and third are correct? Yes. Can you please write 6 dash this because I don't come to know you have answered to which question. Please write 6 dash and which part. Samyukta, I cannot see you answering. Yes, Samyukta, I cannot see you answering. I can see only Ronak and Asmita. Anvita is also there. Yes. You all are right, children. Second and third are correct because first sunlight to be absorbed, that is very vague. Not all organisms are able to utilize sunlight directly to synthesize sugars. Only photosynthetic organism plants are able to do that to synthesize food. Yes. Now refer to the given diagram of stomach of ruminant mammal, very important for grade 7 students. WXYZ, very important diagram. Select, come on. First of all, write in your notebook WXYZ is which part. Okay. First, you note down as per diagram WXYZ is what? 6th class children must not have studied it. Yes, it's a diagram of the alimentary canal of cattle which feed on leaves. They have cellulose, so their alimentary canal is very big for the digestion of the cellulose. They have a special alimentary canal. There is one part which is the largest part of the stomach, which is that. Let us see the parts. The parts labeled WXYZ are called rumen, abomasum, reticulum, and omasum. Is Z omasum? You have to select which is the incorrect. C. Is W rumen? Come on, tell me. Is W rumen? Next. Sorry. Is X? Is X abomasum? Is X abomasum? Is Y reticulum? Yes. And is Z omasum? The part labeled X is true stomach. X is what? The part labeled X, abomasum, is the true stomach. The part labeled X is true stomach or none of these. Which of the options are correct? You have to tell which is incorrect. So first find out the correct ones and then mark which is incorrect. Yes. Come on. Yes, Anvita. The part labeled X is true stomach. The part, yeah, their option is. It's, see, now let us discuss it. W is rumen. Y is reticulum. Partially digested food passes from these chambers. Rumen is what? See, rumen is the full. Food moves into the second part of the stomach. Ruminant, first the food is swallowed and comes to the largest part of the stomach, the rumen. Then it vies the reticulum. Partially digested food passes from these chambers. Again, the cud is made. Cud comes to the mouth. Then it is sent back. Then reticulum digested food is, in reticulum the semi-digested food is called as cud. It goes into the mouth. Then it is sent back. Then cud in omasum, and then abomasum, and then cecum. Right. So, yeah. So W, now we move on to the next question. Okay, Rona gave first. Very good. Yes, Samyukta. Very much clear. X is abomasum, Y is reticulum, W is rumen. Now see, look at this question of 2019. Nutrition in plants, P, green plants and Q. Nutrition in plants. This is heterotrophic. P should be what? Write on your notebook. Don't write here. Then green plants and then Q should be what? You will see from the options. Heterotrophic parasitic plant. Come on, write down. You have to note down ki S should be parasitic. T should be insectivorous. And mode of nutrition in lichens should be what? So note the hints and now see here. P should be what? It is given autotrophic in all four. So no selection from here. Now Q was green plant. S is parasitic. See, where is Q? Green plant. And even if you don't remember that which is green, then please see where is R, lichens. Which kind of nutrition in R? It's mutualism, it's saprophytic, it's symbiotic. It's saprophytic. Then parasite S, Utriculoria, Dionia, Misleti, Royo. Then T, insectivorous. You can recognize from the insectivorous plants you are getting two options. So which option is correct? Anvita Ronak has given the correct answer, and Krishna Gopala also. Yes, Krishna Gopala also. Option C is correct. Very much right. It's autotrophic also. Fenugreek. Yes, methi. The plant is green. Lichens are symbiotic. Then parasite is mislety, and insectivorous plants is Dionaea. Right. Next. So this is the solution to it. Now refer to the given diagram which shows various parts of human digestive system labeled 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Identify the organs and select the incorrect option. Incorrect. Incorrect. First you identify first is what? 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very clear diagram. Written 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Have you written? Yes. Yes, Krishna Gopala, you gave. You gave. Right. Now this one, come on, good, very good. Note down 1 to 4, 1 to 5. Very nice, very nice. Note it down. Children, all these questions are very helpful. Those who are regular in the session, they only become the top rankers. Come on. So now find out which is the incorrect one. You had to find out which is the incorrect statement. Right. So organ 5 is involved in storage of bile, not its production. Organ 5 is involved in storage of bile, organ and not its production. Organ 2 secretes digestive juices which contain mucus, HCl and digestive enzyme. 4 is the largest gland of the body. 1 is involved in the absorption of water from food. From food. Yes. So which is incorrect? Organ 5. Look at organ 5. Look at organ 1. Organ 5 is pancreas, let me tell you. Sorry, by this gallbladder. I'm so sorry, gallbladder. Yes. Very much right, Ronak. Option D. It is incorrect. Esophagus is never involved in absorption of water from food. It is never involved. It is just a passage for passing the food. One is esophagus. It is not involved in absorption. Only peristalsis occurs here. 2 is stomach. It secretes digestive contain mucus, HCl and digestive enzymes. 3 is pancreas, which secretes insulin. 4 is liver, the largest gland of the body. 5 is gallbladder. It is involved in storage of bile. Right. Next, study the given flowchart carefully and select the option that correctly identifies P, Q, and R. It is an autotrophic plant. Is it? P is autotrophic. No, P is not autotrophic. Then it grows. There is an autotrophic plant which grows in nitrogen deficient soil. That is R. So which plant grows in nitrogen deficient soil and which plant does not grow in nitrogen deficient soil? Yes. Come on, see. Q could be Cuscuta, which is rootless photosynthetic plant. It does not grow in nitrogen, but it is autotrophic. P is an autotrophic plant. R grows in nitrogen deficient soil. So P could be any parasitic leafless plant such as Misleti, which depends on host. Is it? Because it is not autotrophic. R could be Dionaea, which has special leaf modification to catch the insects. Q could be Cuscuta. Now, why does it digest insects? Because insects contain nitrogen, and when the plant digests nitrogen, it is not having from the soil, so it becomes rich in nitrogen. So Q could be Cuscuta, which is rootless photosynthetic plant. So which is the option? This is correct. So Dionaea is the plant which has special leaf modification to catch and digest the insects. Now look here, this was the question given. Next comes the diagram below shows a pitcher plant. The pitcher in a pitcher plant is a modified leaf that traps insects and digests them. What environment explains this adaptation? Yes, it was asked in class 10 this year only 2022 when they had their final exam. Diagram below shows a pitcher plant. The pitcher in a pitcher plant is a modified leaf that traps insects and digests them. What environment explains having this? Waterlogged soil, places with nutrient poor soil, dryland or deserts. Which is your answer? Hello, Nivedita. Hello. Yes. So this was the last question. Thank you so much, children. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a great day. So we'll be coming up with more questions. Half an hour session freshens you up for the more and more new questions. Yes. So you get a practice of half an hour and daily you will be getting it. So thank you so much, children. Sometimes math, sometimes science, sometimes mental ability, but throughout the week you have the sessions. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.